is my Lord and salvation. Them who should I fear? What men should I fear?
I make Rasta, I carry Rasta. How can you carry Rasta? You can't carry Rasta, please. Bear me in, Aya. Yes, Rastafari is the name of His Super Majesty. So such a day.
This day is significant to all black people in the fact that our King reigns. His Majesty was born on the 23rd of July, 1892.
Today we are privileged to have His Excellency, the Ambassador of Ethiopia.
I would like to underscore that the theme under which the event is organized to celebrate His Majesty is so fitting and timely. It is so because this event is taking place at a time when, unfortunately, my country, Ethiopia, is struggling to preserve its peace and unity against its enemies, both internal and external.
The righteous conqueror, I command an army of deathless warriors have perished before me, yet my greatest weapon is love. And I am determined to conquer this world, including the evil that's conquering Ethiopia. My tenacity terrifies me. Like gold, I glow on fire. Pain like the back of my hands. I was crushed.
To read a quote from His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Sellasie. Leadership does not mean domination. The world is always well supplied with people who wish to rule and dominate others. Thank you.
The least transgression of international morality shall not go undetected and unremedied.
It teaches us that unity is strength and cautions us to submerge and overcome our differences in the quest for common goals, to strive with all our command and strength for the path to true African brotherhood and unity. Haile Sellasie.
Any who may wish to profit himself or herself alone from the knowledge given him or her, rather than serve others through the knowledge he or she has gained from learning, is betraying knowledge and rendering it worthless.
Now the next performer is called Revolution. A hand of applause for Revolution.
Thereof I, so I to the marching chiefs, minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, with my hands was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing the songs of freedom?
From His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Sellasie I, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion with the tribe of Judah, elect of Himself, the light of the world, and Christ is His kingly character. Yes, Africans are in bondage because they approach spirituality through religion provided by foreign invaders and conquerors. We must stop confusing religion and spirituality. Give thanks.
It is not only war that can stop war, but men of goodwill, their mission, can deal with such deadly enemy.
Peace demands the united effort of us all. Thank you.
Is an important role, and anyone who suffers from a guilty conscience is never free from this problem until he or she makes peace with his or her conscience. Emperor Haile Sellasie.
I heartily welcome all of you to Addis Ababa. To the very first summit, I must say I am very highly honored for you to come here to Ethiopia today. We are grateful. I am also deeply satisfied with the number of African states gaining independence. This is indication of the fact that progressively the African continent is moving away from slavery to independent states. I am confident that by the end of this year, 10 more African countries will be joining us in independence.
Excellency, Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, President of Ghana, and our special guest.
Listen.